So welcome back to WiZdom Ed channel. So let's continue our first chapter, which is some basic concepts of chemistry. So our next question is, matter can be classified as mixtures or pure substances. This can be further divided as. So they're asking us what is A and what is B. So matter is initially divided into mixture and pure substance, where mixture is made up of or combined of two or more compounds mixed in any ratio, and pure substance is made up of purely only one element. And next, mixtures are further classified as homogeneous mixture, and A is going to become heterogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture is a mixture where the two or more elements are combined uniformly, whereas in the A, which is heterogeneous mixture, mixtures are not combined uniformly. And here further, pure substances can be classified into two groups, which is B and compound. B is going to become the element where element is a combination of purely one element, where it can have more than one atomicity. For example, chlorine, which is, we will represent it as Cl2. And then we have compound. So the right answer for this question is option B, A, heterogeneous mixture, and option B is elements. So next, which of the following is not a mixture? Option A, gasoline, option B, distilled alcohol, option C, LPG, and option D, iodized table salt. Option A, which is gasoline. Gasoline is a mixture and it is made up of purely various kinds of hydrocarbons. And then we have distilled alcohol. Distilled alcohol is a pure substance which is typically made up of C2H5OH, which is ethanol, and it is obtained from distillation process. And option C, which is LPG, liquid petroleum gas, and this is a combination of gases like propane and butane. And option D, which is iodized table salt, is a mixture of sodium chloride along with small amount of iodine. As they are asking which is not coming under a mixture, the right option for this is B, distilled alcohol, because distilled alcohol is a pure compound of ethanol. Next, so let's go into topic 2, which is properties of matter and their measurement with uncertainty in measurement. So next question, any quantitative observation or measurement is represented by A followed by B in which it is measured. A and B respectively are, our options are A units, B number, option B A alphabet, B units, option C A number, B units, option D A Roman numeral and B number. Usually when we are representing any measurement, we are going to use two things, which is units and numbers. Initially we are going to represent it by a number and later with a unit. So as they are given us the definition and they are asking us what is A and B, so A is going to become the number and B is going to become the units. So the right option for this question is option C, which is number and unit. So the next question is, consider the following units of energy. A is 1 liter atmosphere, B 1 energy, C 1 joule, and D 1 kilocalories. Increasing order of these values is. So they are asking us to place these values in the increasing order. So to place these values in the increasing order, we are going to convert each units to the same units, which is I am going to convert all these units to joules. So let's start. So A is given as A is equal to 1 liter atmosphere. We all know that work is equal to pressure into volume. So A is going to become, pressure can be represented as 0.1.01325 into 10 raised to power 5 pascals, and volume can be represented as 1 into 10 raised to power minus 3 meter cube. So upon multiplication, this is going to become 1.01325 into 10 raised to power 5 minus 3. So this is going to convert into 1.01325 into 10 raised to power 2 joules. Pascal into meter cube is going to convert into joules. So A is going to become 101.325 joules. So we have converted A, which is given as liter atmosphere, into joules. So next B is given. B is represented as 1 energy. We know that 1 energy is equal to 1 into 10 raised to power minus 7 joules. This is a direct conversion which is having a constant value. And C is 1 joule. So there is no need to convert this as we have the direct value. And then D we have. So D is equal to 1 kilocalories. So 1 kilocalories, if I convert into joules, it is going to become 4184 joules. So now we have all the answers. Now we have to represent them in the increasing order. So if we see, the one which is having the lowest value is option B. So B is going to come first, and then after B we have C, then comes A, and then comes D. So I have arranged them in the increasing order. So the right answer for this question is option C, which is B, C, A, and D. So these are the questions which have been cited from Ariane publications and NCERT publications. Thank you.